Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Have you tried every diet out there without success? Don't worry. You will lose weight just like this picture. Many people have struggled with losing weight. Today, we have got a topic that many of you have been asking about: protein diets for weight loss. Now, why are protein diets such a hot topic in the weight loss world? Well, here's the scoop. Protein is your weight loss best friend. It's not about shedding pounds, it's about getting healthier and feeling better in your own skin. Let's break it down, shall we? Why does protein play such a crucial role in your weight loss journey? Firstly, protein is a metabolic powerhouse. Your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does with fats and carbs. So more protein, more calorie burn. It helps you feel longer, which prevents overeating and promotes weight loss. How much protein you should be eating? The amount of protein you should be eating depends on your weight, age, and physical activity level. As a general rule, aim to get at least 20 to 30% of your daily calories from protein. Foods that are high in protein. These are plenty of foods that are high in protein, including meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and nuts. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you feel full longer and promote weight loss. How to incorporate protein into your diet? Incorporating protein into your diet is easy. You can add protein to your meals in many ways, such as topping your salad with chicken or adding Greek yogurt to your smoothie. The best time to eat protein. The best time to eat protein is throughout the day, especially at breakfast and after workouts. Eating protein in the morning can help you feel fuller longer and prevent overeating throughout the day. Eating protein after a workout can help build and repair muscle. How long I need this diet to lose weight? Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized guidance based on your unique needs and goals. So this video is and now hope you like this video. Don't forget to like our YouTube channel for the more amazing content and stay connected.